Hello beautiful people around the globe! Welcome to my cooking show! And for today's episode, gagawa tayo ng chicken macaroni salad. Perfect idea ito para ngayong Pasko at bagong taon. Okay, ibibigay ko na sa inyo ang mga ingredients. Super simple lang. So meron tayo dito 1/4 kilo na chicken breast. And then meron tayong half a cup of raisins and then meron tayo ditong half a cup of carrots na blanch ko na yan for 3 minutes. And then we have pickled relish, mga 1/4 cup lang yan, and 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese. And then we have here 1 cup pineapple. And then we have here 1/4 cup of chopped onion. And then we have here the mayonnaise, and I have here cream cheese. And then of course, first ang gagawin natin, pakukuluan muna natin yung ating chicken breast like about 10 minutes until maging tender na siya. Okay? O, ilalagay ko na siya sa aking kumukulong tubig. It's so hot, guys. O, diba? Okay, lagay natin siya dyan. Okay, guys, luto na yung ating chicken. So, isa-set aside natin to. I-shred ko yung chicken. Well, depende sa inyo kung gusto nyong i-chop. Kukunin ko na siya. Okay? There you go. It's so hot, so be careful. There you go. So, hindi natin itatapon yung tubig. Yan ang magiging chicken stock natin. Ilalagay natin yung pasta. There you go. And then, we'll see. Iwan natin yan. Ibuboil natin yung pasta until it's al dente or depende dun sa packaging, okay? Lalagyan ko siya ng oil. There you go. And then, maglalagay tayo ng 1 teaspoon of salt. O, diba? So, yummy na yan later. Okay. So, coveran natin siya. So, while waiting for that, i-shred ko na yung chicken. Okay? And then, set aside. Okay, guys. Tapos na natin i-shred yung chicken. Isa-set aside ko na to. And then, ito na rin yung ating pasta. Okay, let's set this aside. And then, we're gonna mix the other ingredients. So, ito yung aking sikreto. Ang cream cheese. O, diba? Cream cheese. Lagyan natin siya sa bowl. So, guys, ito na nga yung ating cream cheese. Lagay ko na siya sa bowl. And then, we're gonna add the mayonnaise. O, diba? Siguro mga 1/2 cup of mayo. And then, you have to, mix it well. Mix na to. Next is, ilagay na natin yung ating relish. There you go. And then, of course, the carrots. Paghalu-haluin lang natin yan. And then yung ating raisins. O, diba? So, yummy na yan later. And then cheese. The more cheese, the better. And then, of course, yung onion. Lahat natin yan. And then yung ating pineapple. There you go. Looks so colorful. Perfect talaga to sa Pasko, guys. Kaya you better try this. So, yan. I-mix nyo lang yan. And then, natin siya. And then, lagyan natin yung chicken, yung shredded chicken. There you go. Okay, mix natin. And then, next is yung ating pasta. O, diba? So, guys, na-mix ko na siya. Okay na siya. Tikman na natin. Okay. Super sarap. Well-balanced yung flavor niya. Yung tamis, sakto lang from the raisins. And then yung alat, sakto lang din from the cheese. Yeah, super sarap. Perfecto sa mga handaan, Pasko, sa bagong taon. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon, ilalagay ko na siya sa fridge like for an hour and then ready to serve na. But before that, kukuberan ko muna siya ng ating cling wrap. O, diba? And then, yes, isa-serve na sa ating mga bisita. Kung may bisita kayong parating. Okay, guys. I hope you guys enjoy my cooking show for today. I'll see you again next time. Bye! Thank you for watching!